Belmar, New Jersey. A man just got turned away from a bar, and he had a lot to say about it.
Property. You're all going up the property. If you come back on here,
can I know? No, can I know? No, I want to know my legal rights. My legal rights. First Amendment.
You're under arrest. Stop. You're under arrest. Stop. You're gonna put on the ground. Stop. Get a cup out.
No. My First Amendment. First Amendment.
You are under arrest.
First Amendment. What I do?
The way you're acting, man.
You didn't read my legal Miranda rights.
All right, we don't have to do it.
No, yes you do. Yes you do.
Stop.
Yes you do. Where's my Miranda rights?
I'm not asking you any
Where's my Miranda rights?
Stop. Let's go.
No. Where's my Miranda rights?
Stop.
No, where's my Miranda rights?
Stop. You're gonna go down.
You're pushing me. You're pushing me.
You're pushing yourself.
You're pushing me. You're pushing me.
Stop. Keep walking.
Yo, you're pushing me. Yo, you're pushing me.
You better relax.
I'm relaxed.
You're not relaxed.
Yo,
Stop.
I'm relaxed.
Tell you suck, 'cause you're gonna get resisting arrest also.
No,
Stop.
I'm not.
Yeah,
No,
you
I'm
are.
not.
You're not gonna tell us no,
No,
you're
I'm
not.
not.
Yes, you are.
My First Amendment
Stop
rights.
pushing back.
Freedom of speech.
Stop.
Freedom of speech, right?
Stop.
That's my First Amendment right, right?
You are.
My freedom of speech. Freedom of speech. You're arresting me because freedom of speech.
Come and get
What
me
the fuck, bro?
What you say? Have all the people inside.
I have my social security on me. I have all my ID on me, bro. Check.
Wait, relax.
Check, bro.
Just relax.
Check, bro. Check.
Here, put him in the
I
sand.
don't have nothing on me, bro. What the fuck is going on here?
You're under arrest.
Under arrest for what? What's my
Disorderly
legal?
conduct right now.
What?
And trespassing,
No.
right? I told you to leave and you walked right back towards it.
Trespassing, bro. What?
Next is you're gonna get resisting arrest too. So
What?
stop.
I'm not resisting arrest.
You are.
I'm in handcuffs. How can I resist if I'm handcuffs? Can I stick up? Yeah, please.
Sit in the car.
Get in.
Sit in the car.
Where's his shoe?
I don't know.
Oh, right there. Get his shoe.
I'll take it. Resisting.
Yeah. And
Trespass.
On July 22nd, 2025, Belmar Police were at bar Anticipation. A patron was denied entry by security. He didn't leave. Officers moved in. What followed was a clinic in constitutional myth. From the moment cuffs went on, he had one strategy: invoke constitutional rights. First Amendment, Miranda, constitutional rights. He cycled through all of them. He was wrong about every single one. Officers stated the charges clearly disorderly conduct and trespass. His response was to demand Miranda warnings, mid-struggle, before a single question was asked.
Noise and interference.
Should I give the...
He's on my side. Diabetes. That's how you are?
Look, listen.
Yo, listen.
Listen.
No, you.
We weren't there. We don't
No,
know
100%.
what happened. So
Jewish. I don't care. Doesn't matter. Alright. My lawyer's Jewish. Okay. My lawyer will get me out of here ASAP.
Okay.
Alright. I didn't even do anything. You didn't even read my Miranda rights. So you better get sued.
Okay.
You didn't even read my Miranda rights. Alright, I don't care. Y'all better get sued. I don't care.
We don't have to Mirandize you. We're not asking any questions.
You didn't read my Miranda rights. You didn't read my Miranda
Go ahead.
rights.
Go have a seat. Have a seat.
Tell me I was gonna
Have a seat.
I don't care. Y'all better get
Have a
sued.
seat.
I don't care.
Sit down.
Y'all better get sued. I don't care. I got diabetes and this shit tight as fuck on me. My blood pressure is high right now. Y'all don't give a fuck. Y'all better get sued like crazy. I got a Jewish lawyer.
Blood pressure's high.
I don't care. I got diabetes. And y'all cuffing me for what? What's my reason? What's my reason?
Sit down.
I'm cuffed
Sit
up.
down.
I'm cuffed up.
Sit down.
What can I do? Alright, go ahead. Let's go ahead.
Take your shoe off.
Alright, take my shoe off. Go ahead. I don't got nothing on me. Go ahead. Take my belt off. I don't got nothing on me.
I want to get gloves.
Y'all
Check
sue
him
me
real
for
quick.
no reason. I better get 100K.
Make sure he's got nothing in his pockets.
I don't give a fuck. Sure, yeah. I've been made 500K off a lawsuit. This is extra. Tough How am I
Stop.
tough?
Don't turn. Stay still.
Yo, yo, y'all supposed to respect people. What am I being a tough guy about? I didn't get lawsuit for nothing. I got arrested for nothing. Y'all didn't read my Miranda rights. I got a right to sue. Get the fuck out of here.
Okay.
I got
You
a
can
right
talk to your lawyer.
Y'all didn't read my Miranda rights.
All right, we're not
Get the
asking any
fuck outta here.
questions.
No. That ain't just New York. That's everywhere in the United States. That's
Good.
my First Amendment. I got a right to speak. Right? Yo, why you against me for? Why you against me for?
Keep pulling away. Keep flailing
Because
around. Stop.
you arrested me for no reason, bro. Y'all arrested me for no reason. I didn't even do anything, bro. What the fuck? Yo, I didn't do anything, bro. Y'all crazy, bro. Y'all know that too. I didn't do anything, bro.
That's what you're acting. It's all on camera.
Acting?
This hand goes on.
Where's my Miranda rights?
Listen,
Y'all didn't read my Miranda rights. So
Put
y'all
this hand
like
Stop.
on top of
bro.
your head, okay? Put it on top of your head. On top of your head. This hand on top of your head.
Yo, y'all better get sued like crazy. But I got a Jewish lawyer, bro. Y'all better get sued, bro. I hope you know, bro. Y'all gonna lose your job.
I've heard it many times before.
Yo, I wanna call y'all. I wanna speak to my lawyer. What's up? Yo, I wanna speak to my lawyer. What's up? Yo! 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 I wanna speak to my lawyer.
Jeremy, give me your shirt. Stop playing around. Give me your shirt.
Come on, man.
Give me your shirt.
Yo, come on, man. I've been asking.
Slide your shirt
I've
through.
been asking for a phone call, man. I've been asking my
Slide your shirt through.
Bro, come on. Constitutional right, bro. I've been
Slide your shirt through.
Bro.
Slide your shirt through. You just pissed all over the floor too.
Bro, it's not fucked up, bro. I've been asking
Okay.
my constitutional right, bro.
Okay.
I'm locked up for
Give me your shirt.
Cause,
Throw your shirt.
bro.
Throw your shirt on the wall here. Throw your shirt on the wall.
I didn't even do anything, man.
And you just pissed all over the floor.
Bro,
all over the mat. Come on.
I'm trying to get y'all attention, bro. It's my constitutional right to make a phone call.
Pass it
right?
through. Slide it through. I'm not touching it because there's piss all over it.
Yo, am I wrong, bro? I still have been able to make a phone call, bro. That's my constitutional right as an American-born citizen.
You think yelling and screaming all night is gonna get you anywhere?
Yes, bro.
No, it
yes,
doesn't.
bro. So I'm suing y'all, bro.
Okay.
That's it. Y'all losing your
Okay.
jobs, bro.
Okay.
That's it.
You're gonna get charged with the criminal mischief.
Miranda versus Arizona requires warnings before custodial interrogation, not at the moment of arrest. Officers read Miranda rights before questioning, not before placing you in handcuffs. He was not being questioned, he was being arrested. Those are two different legal events. Every Miranda demand he made was legally meaningless. Every physical movement he made was resisting arrest. As for the First Amendment, it protects speech from government censorship, not your right to remain on private property after security asks you to leave. Bar Anticipation asked him to go. He refused. That is defiant trespass. The Constitution does not override a property owner's right to exclude. Once in the holding cell, he escalated. He urinated on the floor. He blew fluids onto the walls. Officers added criminal mischief. Under New Jersey's criminal mischief statute, purposely damaging property of another, including a police holding cell, counts. He entered that night with no charges. He left with 4: defiant trespass, disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, criminal mischief. The officers get an A, patient, methodical, and consistent throughout. Under Graham versus Connor, officers are judged on what they reasonably knew in the moment. Every decision holds up. The subject gets an F. He arrived with no charges and manufactured 4 through his own conduct. He confused constitutional vocabulary for constitutional protection. They are not the same thing. The Fifth Amendment guarantees the right to remain silent. He declined to use it, loudly, for the entire encounter. Invoking a right incorrectly is not a defense. It is evidence. Subscribe for more bodycam breakdowns where legal myths meet legal reality. Drop a comment, what should the sentence be? We'll see you in the next one.